Last meeting, we already discussed about solving multi-step problems. This week, we will be talking about concept of fractions in each kind. So are you ready? Listen carefully and watch this video for you to learn. Let's start! Now, try to take a look at these numbers. Do you know these numbers? You're right. These numbers are what we call fraction. Fractions is a number that tells a part of a whole, a set, or a group. Fractions is also made up of numerator, denominator, and fraction mark.
Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn about fractions. A fraction is a number that is used to show how many equal parts there are. When writing a fraction, we put one number above another number with a line in between them. The top number, or numerator, tells us how many parts we are talking about. The bottom number, or denominator, tells us how many parts there are altogether. When something is divided into two equal parts, we call them halves. One piece out of two total pieces is 1/2. When something is divided into three equal parts, we call them thirds. One piece out of three total pieces is 1/3. Two pieces out of three total pieces is 2/3. When something is divided into four equal parts, we either call them fourths when they appear in math, or quarters when they appear in daily life. One piece out of four total pieces is 1/4, or 1/4. Three pieces out of four total pieces is 3/4, or 3/4. Two total pieces out of four is 2/4, but because it is the same amount as one piece out of two, it is expressed as 1/2. You can keep cutting shapes into smaller and smaller pieces, and as long as the pieces are equal, those pieces are fractions.
Now here is an example. Ben cut an orange into equal parts, and he ate 4 parts of an orange. Therefore, each part is 1/4. And 4 parts is 4/4. Therefore, 4/4 is equal to 1. So this is an example of a fraction. There are 3 kinds of fractions. We have proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed fractions. Remember, to change an improper fractions into a mixed number, divide the numerator by the denominator. The quotient becomes the whole number. Write the remainder as the numerator and use the same denominator. Example, 7/4. So we are going to divide 7 by 4. So 7 divided by 4 is equal to, 7 divided by 4 is equal to 1. And proceed to multiplication. 1 times 4 is equal to 4. Then proceed to subtraction. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Therefore, the mixed fractions of 7/4 is 1 as a whole number. This is the quotient, will be the whole number, 1. Then write the remainder as the numerator, which is 3 over copy the denominator, which is 4. So therefore, the mixed fractions of 7 over 4 is 1 and 3/4. Another example, we have 15 over 7. So we will divide 15 by 7. 15 divided by 7. So 15 divided by 7 is equal to 2. Then proceed to multiplication. 2 times 7 is equal to 14. Subtract 15 minus 14. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore, the mixed fractions of 15 over 7 will be 2 and 1, 7. Did you get it? Next, we have 8 over 5. So let's divide 8 divided by 5. So 8 divided by 5 is equal to 1. 1 times 5 is equal to 5. And subtract 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So therefore, the mixed fractions of 8 over 5 is 1 and 3/5. How about changing mixed fractions into improper fractions? To change a mixed number into an improper fractions, multiply the whole number by the denominator and add the product to the numerator, then copy the same denominator. Example, 1 and 3/5 is equal to 5 times 1 is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Then copy the denominator. So this will become 8 over 5. Another, we have 2 and 1/4 is equal to 2 times and 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Plus 1 is equal to 9. Then copy the denominator, which is 4. So the improper fractions of mixed number will be 9 over 4.